हेलो गाइस, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। कैसे हैं आप लोग? उम्मीद है आप सब खैर खैरियत से होंगे। तो आज का जो हमारा प्रोजेक्ट है उसका नाम है क्वैक एआई क्यू फ्यूचर ट्रेडिंग कंपटीशन ग्रांटेड 100 क्यू एयर ड्रॉप पर यूजर। ये हमारे टॉपिक का नेम है जो हमारा प्रोजेक्ट है। स्टे कनेक्टेड विद मी एंड एंजॉय माय स्ट्रीम। सबसे पहले हम फॉलोवर गिफ्ट लगा लेते हैं ताकि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग हमारे साथ इंगेज हो सके और हमारे स्ट्रीम को एंजॉय कर सकें। सो अब हम फॉलोवर गिफ्ट लगा देते हैं आपके लिए। स्टे कनेक्टेड विद मी एंड एंजॉय माय स्ट्रीम। इस प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में हम इसके सारे की पॉइंट डिस्कस करेंगे, इसके ऑफिशियल पेज को डिस्कस करेंगे, देन इसकी ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट डिस्कस करेंगे और उसके बाद हम इसके डॉक्यूमेंट्स और वाइट पेपर को डिस्कस करेंगे। सो स्टे कनेक्टेड विद मी एंड एंजॉय माय प्रोजेक्ट। आई होप यू आर ऑल एंजॉय माय स्ट्रीम। ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा आपकी सपोर्ट की ज़रूरत है। थैंक यू सो मच टू ऑल ऑफ यू। So now we start the explanation of this topic. Its start time is 2025 9 2 10 11 55 58 UTC. Its views are 25318 views. So here is its explanation. Quack AI Q future trading benefits are now live. Participate to easily win a chance to draw with a guaranteed 100 Q reward per person plus. Thank you so much to all of you for joining my stream. I hope you are all enjoying my stream. A future trading challenge is waiting for you to compete in with a total prize pool of 3 Q. Reward spots are limited and available on a first come first served basis. Best wishes for you. Thank you so much, my dear friends, crypto family and gate users. Thank you so much for joining my stream. ओके, हमने फॉलोवर गिफ्ट लगा दिया है। वंडरफुल ने हमें ज्वाइन किया है। थैंक यू सो मच वंडरफुल। सो नाउ वी ओपन द ट्रेडिंग कंपटीशन पेज। क्वैक AIQ future trading competition guaranteed 100 Q airdrop per user. Event ended 1D220429. Thank you so much, my dear friends, for joining my stream. Okay, its start time is 202592 at 15 p.m. and the end time is 202598 at 20:59:59. So here it is team, different names, Aeronet, FOMO. So here is how to participate. Click the join now button to complete registration and you will be considered a successful participant. Number 2 is after winning, rewards are automatically credited to your account. Your daily prize pool is limited and will be updated at 0.00 UTC. Number 3 is join the future trading challenge to share 1000000 Q prize pool. Here is lucky draw. You can see 100 Q, 300 Q, 500 Q, 2000 Q and 5000 Q. And the next is a 7000 Q and next is 0.001 BTC. And the last one is the 0.02 ETH. Thank you so much all friends. Samuel, thank you so much dear. Ismail 1234, thank you so much dear. Welcome Crypto Champion. Thank you so much Crypto Champion for joining my stream. Thank you so much dear. He says hello everyone. Hello Crypto Champion. How are you dear? My rewards, winning record, completed task, get your task, rewards, reward distribution status. Draw now, 0 ticket for lucky draw, 1 ticket, task 1 new user, welcome bonus first deposit. During the event, new user who complete their first net deposit of $50, any token will receive I draw entry. Rewards will be distributed automatically on a first come, first served. Thank you so much all the gate user for joining my stream. The next is the task 2 future trading challenge. During the event, for every $2,000 in QUSDT future trading volume, user will receive one draw entry limited to 3 entries per user. 888-855-C459. Thank you so much for joining my stream. Task 3 is during the event, for every $20,000 in QUSDT future trading volume, user will receive one draw entry limited to 3 entries per user. Thank you so much all the gate users. Okay, one ticket for lucky draw. Task 4 future trading challenge. During the event, for every $10,000 in any time in any future trading volume, user will receive one draw entry limited to 10 entries per user. So here is task 5 future trading challenge. During the event, for every $50,000 in any future trading volume, user will receive one draw entry limited to 10 entries per user. Future trading challenge. Trade QUSDT future to unlock a 1000000 Q pool. During the event, user who trade QUSDT future can successfully participate in the future trading challenge. User with a future trading volume of at least 5,000 can participate in the future trading volume ranking. Thank you so much, Crypto Champion, for your another compliment. And he says, you light up the stream with your energy and charm. Always a joy to watch you live. Keep going on. Thank you so much, my dear friend Crypto Champion, for supporting me. Thank you so much, dear, for your beautiful compliment. I hope you enjoy my stream. क्रिप्टो चैंपियन बहुत ही नाइस पर्सन है हमारी क्रिप्टो फैमिली के। ये सबको ज्वाइन करवाते हैं स्ट्रीम और बहुत ही सपोर्ट करते हैं सबको। थैंक यू सो मच टू क्रिप्टो चैंपियन। हालांकि मैं आज पूरा दिन बिजी था, लेकिन क्रिप्टो चैंपियन ने हमारी स्ट्रीम को आते साथ ही ज्वाइन किया है। थैंक यू सो मच क्रिप्टो चैंपियन। The top 200 user by future trading volume will then share 1000000 Q total price pool based on their trading volume proportion. Thank you so much to all of you for joining my stream. I hope you are all enjoying my stream. So now we open the next page. Here is the initial listing gate.io to list Quack AIQ spot trading and launch holder airdrop. Gate will initially list Quack AI for spot trading and launch a limited time holder airdrop 297. User holding at least 1 GT can share 2000000 Q tokens for free. The holder airdrop is exclusively for GT holders after the Quack AIQ airdrop concludes. Thank you so much, Crypto Champion, for your another compliment. Thank you so much, Crypto Daisy. Welcome, Crypto Daisy. Welcome. Thank you so much, Crypto Daisy, for joining my stream. She says, Assalamu alaikum. Walaikum salam. Crypto Daisy, how are you, dear? Thank you so much, Crypto Champion, for your beautiful compliments. How are you, dear? Thank you so much, Crypto Daisy. I'm good. How about you? क्रिप्टो डेजी बहुत ही अच्छी स्ट्रीमर हैं। और बहुत ही जल्दी अपने आप को बिल्डअप कर रही हैं। Crypto champion, thank you so much. Welcome Crypto Velvet. Thank you so much Crypto Velvet for joining my stream. Crypto Velvet ने कमेंट किया अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वालेकुम सलाम Crypto Velvet. I hope you doing well. Okay, Crypto Velvet. Good, best of luck bro. Thank you so much Crypto Velvet. Crypto Butterfly ने भी हमें ज्वाइन किया है। Thank you so much Crypto Butterfly for joining my stream. Crypto Velvet ने कमेंट किया है, may Allah make it easy for you. Ameen. Thank you so much. Thank you so much Crypto family for supporting me. Crypto Rex सब फैमिली मेंबर्स को ले आया हूँ। थैंक यू सो मच क्रिप्टो चैंपियन। यही तो आपकी हैबिट बहुत अच्छी लगती है हमें। एक ग्रुप लीडर का यही काम होता है कि वो अपने सारे मेंबर्स को सपोर्ट करे। थैंक यू सो मच क्रिप्टो चैंपियन and all of my crypto family, Crypto Velvet, Crypto Daisy and Crypto Butterfly. Thank you so much Crypto Butterfly. Crypto Butterfly, where is Crypto Moon? Crypto Moon हमारी स्ट्रीम पे बहुत ही कम आती हैं। आई थिंक वो थोड़ा बिजी होती हैं। थैंक यू सो मच Crypto Butterfly for you another compliment. She says good luck for your project. Thank you so much dear. Crypto Daisy, best of luck. Thank you so much Crypto Daisy. Crypto Champion, best of luck for your project. Thank you so much to all of you for joining my stream and for your beautiful compliments. Crypto Butterfly, moon is a hidden behind clouds. ये तो सही बात की है। मून जो है वो आती है मेरी स्ट्रीम पे, आती डेली है तकरीबन, लेकिन वो आते ही बस ऐसे उनका एक वो नोटिफिकेशन आता है कि क्रिप्टो मून ज्वाइन द स्ट्रीम एंड देन ही शी गोस। फिर जो है ना, ना उनका कोई कमेंट आता है ना कुछ आता है। हिडन है भाई बहुत। Moon is hidden behind cloud. Thank you so much to all of you. Alize, Digner 888, Crypto Champion ने compliment दिया है। Every time you go live, it's look like good vibes. Only you are doing good, great, fun, friendly, and full of energy. Thank you so much, Crypto Champion, for your beautiful compliments. मून है ना, कोई कुछ बोल तो नहीं सकता। ये तो है, कोई कुछ नहीं बोल सकता, ये है भी हमसे बड़ी। ओके, आप क्रिप्टो मून को कहें कि वो हमारे प्रोजेक्ट को ज्वाइन करें, होंगी तो आपके साथ ही वो। थैंक यू सो मच टू ऑल ऑफ यू। The holder airdrop is exclusively for GT holders. After the Quack AIQ airdrop concludes, no fund will be deducted from participants. So here is the official page of Quack AI. GG, okay, बुलाएं उनको क्रिप्टो मून को। She will join after me. Okay. सही। क्रिप्टो बटरफ्लाई और क्रिप्टो मून हमारी क्रिप्टो फैमिली की बहुत ही अच्छी स्ट्रीमर्स हैं। मेरे साथ ही इन्होंने ज्वाइन किया था, बहुत ही अच्छी स्ट्रीम करती हैं। ख़ास तौर पे क्रिप्टो बटरफ्लाई बहुत ही अच्छी, बहुत ही अच्छे एक्सेंट में स्ट्रीम करती हैं। So here is the official page of Quack AI. Quack AI is the AI native governance layer for Web3. Turns fragmented governance into an automated, available, automated, auditable workflow. Thank you, brother, for your support. Thank you so much to you also for your support. Okay, Valentina, thank you so much, dear, for joining my stream. Now we move to the topic क्रिप्टो चैंपियन सबको लेके आए हैं, उसके बाद फिर किसी और भी स्ट्रीम पे चले गए होंगे। इनका काम यही है कि ये एक दूसरे को सपोर्ट करते रहते हैं। बहुत ही नाइस पर्सन है क्रिप्टो फैमिली की। ओके, क्रिप्टो बटरफ्लाई ने कमेंट किया है, You have a natural talent for streaming. Your positivity and interaction make every session so worth watching. Thank you so much, dear Crypto Butterfly, for your beautiful compliment. बहुत ही अच्छे कमेंट्स करती हैं बटरफ्लाई। मून की कमी भी पूरी कर देती हैं क्रिप्टो बटरफ्लाई। क्रिप्टो डेजी भी हमारे साथ ही हैं। थैंक यू सो मच क्रिप्टो डेजी। मेरे कमेंट पोस्ट नहीं हो रहे क्रिप्टो बटरफ्लाई। Crypto Daisy, thank you so much, dear, for joining me. Welcome again. Crypto Butterfly, my replies are not shown in the screen. There is a problem. Thank you so much, Crypto Butterfly, for your beautiful compliments. Crypto Daisy, thank you so much, dear. Engagement on off-chain data drafting and refining, propose analyzing impact for DAOS and RWA projects. Quack AI delivers transparent, compliant, and scalable decision-making with multi-chain support. Xwin, thank you so much, dear. With multi-chain support, policy, control, and automation for voting, delegation, and treasury action, communities can govern faster, safer, and at scale. मून आजकल दिन में आती है। क्रिप्टो चैंपियन ने कमेंट किया है कि मून आजकल दिन में आती है। दिन में भी आती हैं, और मैं आपको बता रहा था कि ये स्ट्रीम पे आती हैं लाजमी। नागा नहीं होता इनका, लेकिन आके फौरन चली जाती हैं। फिर इनको देखो तो ये स्ट्रीम में होती हैं, अपनी स्ट्रीम में होती हैं। क्रिप्टो डेजी ने कमेंट किया है, आई ट्रूली अप्रिशिएट एफर्ट बिहाइंड दिस, हेड्स ऑफ। थैंक यू सो मच डियर क्रिप्टो डेजी फॉर योर ब्यूटीफुल कॉम्प्लीमेंट। ओके, क्रिप्टो बटरफ्लाई ने एक और कमेंट किया है, Your vibe is unmatched. You speak so well and your confidence shines through. So proud to see you growing. Thank you so much, dear Crypto Butterfly, for your beautiful compliment. Thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you so much to my crypto family. Thank you so much to all of my crypto family. क्रिप्टो बटरफ्लाई को कमेंट का रिप्लाई नहीं जा रहा। ओके, थैंक यू सो मच क्रिप्टो बटरफ्लाई। मैं आपको अपनी वॉइस से ही कह देता हूँ, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर सपोर्टिंग। क्रिप्टो डेजी, थैंक यू सो मच डियर। ओके, नाउ मूव टू द टॉपिक। My participation airdrop received valid holding 0Q0GT. Crypto Butterfly, we are here to support each other. No need to say thanks. Thank you so much, Crypto Butterfly, for supporting me. Thank you so much, dear. It's okay, dear. Okay, thank you so much, Crypto Butterfly. I'm also always here to support you, dear. Crypto Butterfly. Vani, great users. Thank you so much, dear. Crypto Champion ने comment किया. Crypto Rex, good work, dear brother. Thank you so much, Crypto Champion, for your supporting. Discovery. Thank you so much to all of you. Crypto Champion. सबको हम रिप्लाई देते हैं, लेकिन क्रिप्टो बटरफ्लाई का कोई रिप्लाई नहीं जा रहा, पता नहीं क्या मसला है. थैंक यू सो मच माय क्रिप्टो फैमिली. आपकी सपोर्ट की वजह से ही हमारा कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्डअप होता है. Total airdrop is 2000000 Q. Individual participation cap is 1000 GT. Its participants are 10507. Crypto Butterfly now going. Catch you in a while. See you soon. Okay, no problem, Crypto Butterfly. I'll wait for you. और अपने साथ क्रिप्टो मून को भी ले आइएगा. Jessica Zara, thank you so much, dear, for joining my stream. Aman Yusen, thank you so much, dear. So participant is 10507. Its starting time is 202591 at 15 p.m. and its end time is 202592 at 11 p.m. So here is its project introduction to Crypto Butterfly. Sure. हाँ जी, आपने कहा है कि मैं आती हूँ थोड़ी देर में, तो मैं आपका वेट कर रहा हूँ. ओके, और क्रिप्टो मून को भी साथ ले आए. थैंक यू सो मच क्रिप्टो बटरफ्लाई फॉर सपोर्टिंग. ग्रेट यूजर्स, थैंक यू सो मच डियर. वेयर इज क्रिप्टो इनसाइट? आपकी कमी है हमारी स्ट्रीम पर, बल्कि अभी चलो छोड़ें. So here is the founder, Alex W. Alex W, CEO of Quack AI, is a Web3 entrepreneur with deep experience in AI and decentralized governance. Okay, the next is the token circulation status. Investor and advisor 11%, 0% log at TG, 12-month life linear vesting over 24 months. For team 10%, 0% unlock at TG, 12-month live, linear vesting over 24 months. Crypto Champion. ओके, आप किस बात पे ओके कह रहे हैं? मिसोम. क्रिप्टो चैंपियन ने भी हमें ज्वाइन किया हुआ है. Thank you so much, dear. Bundle of thanks for you, dear Crypto Champion. Community is 30%, 0% lock at TG, 1-month live, linear vesting over 36 months. Treasury is 11%, 36.363%. Unlock at TG, 1-month live, linear vesting over 36 months. Ecosystem and partnership 15%, 15.067. Unlock at TG, 1 week live, linear vesting over 36 months. Marketing and growth 6%, 31.667%. Unlock at TG, no live, linear vesting over 5 months. Initial airdrop 12%, 21% unlock at TG, 1-month live, linear vesting over 4 months. Liquidity is 5%, 100% unlock at TGE. The champion, tell me all okay in my project, my voice, my screen. Okay, here is the project highlights of Quack AI. Quack AI is the AI native governance layer for Web3, transforming passive wallets into the active participants. Through its on-chain governance passport, Quack AI enables intelligent voting, delegation, and automated proposal drafting across 40 plus ecosystems by integrating AI-powered analysis with seamless on-chain execution. It reduces complexity in DAO processes, boosts participation, and ensures governance is scalable, transparent, and accessible to millions of users. The next is the token economics. Thank you so much all the gate user. Insert coin. Thank you so much dear. Welcome to my stream. Token economics. The SQ token powers Quack AI governance ecosystem by enabling voting, delegation, staking, rewards, and access to premium AI governance rules. It aligns incentives between user, DAOs, and partners while fueling community campaigns, ecosystem growth, and liquidity. You serve as the backbone of AI-driven decentralized governance adoption. CryptoDaisy ने हमें दोबारा ज्वाइन किया. वेलकम अगेन CryptoDaisy. Technical overview. Quack AI integrates governance data across chains, platforms, and forums, processes it through AI-powered reasoning models, and enables automated proposal generation and execution. Its infrastructure connected with Snapshot, Tally, and AAA over 43337 wallets, delivering an end-to-end governance solution from data intake to on-chain action. Next is the risk reminder. The trading market for this currency may experience significant fluctuation due to technical leaders, regulatory, and other factors. Please thoroughly understand the project details and conduct sufficient market research before participating. Gate cannot guarantee that the currency will be listed on the exchange. The final listing status will be depend on various factors, and official listing announced shall prevail. By participating in the project, you accept our airdrop terms and conditions. Satosh Nakamoto, thank you so much dear. Thank you so much gate users. Okay, now we open the official website of Quack AI. Here is the official website of Quack AI. The AI governance layer, live on 10 chains, trusted by 40 plus protocols. Thank you so much Monty Carl for joining my stream. The AI governance layer, live on 10 chain, trusted by 40 plus protocols. Launch app, learn more. Here are the websites through we connected to Quack AI. On-chain adoption. Building the infrastructure layer for intelligent governance. 2.96 million plus on-chain Quack AI identities. 40 plus integrated chains and project. 600 plus votes per proposal on average. The next is the AI-powered governance. Automate DAO decision with verifiable bias-free AI. Smarter decision. Save time as AI reads, analyzes, and draft proposal automatically. The next is the fair and transparent. All decisions are backed by neutral, bias-free analysis you can verify. Thank you so much to all of you for joining my stream. Okay, the next is the effortless participation. Choose on AI agent that votes like you would, or create one that reflects your values. The next is the AI governance workflow. The full journey of an AI-led proposal Proposal source AI assistant, assisted proposal drafting imported from external platforms. AI analysis decision delegation. What manually delegate to AI agent, delegate to user. Thank you so much to all of you. I did not see the joinings on my screen. Here is the problem. Execute what? Feedback and learning. Roadmap 2025, scaling from product to infrastructure, view documents. Thank you so much to all of you for joining my stream. I hope you are all enjoy my stream. Okay, here is my page. Q1 2025, establishing the AI governance foundation. Launch beta voting platform for early governance testing. Short Genesis member program for early contributors. Integrate 5 plus pilot DAOS to test governance automation. Thank you so much to all of you. The next is the Q2 2025, scaling AI governance and community participation. It's a problem. The next is the Q3 2025, AI enhanced governance infrastructure. Expand AI role in proposal ideation and community forums. Add snapshots compatibility for external governance layers. Launch TGE and AI proposal system with incentives. So here is the next is the Q4 2025, mainstream adoption and governance evaluation. Launch decentralized governance panels with AI facilitation. Implement self-learning AI models for real-time governance optimization. Grow adoption via partnership and standardized evaluations. Okay, the next is the backed by builders. Here are the websites who are connected to Quack AI. Linea, Matisse, UX Link, Animica, Brand, Scaling Labs, ZK.link. Thank you so much, my dear friends. News and updates, driving transparency, participation, and innovation with AI. Quack AI 1.2. Thank you so much to all of you for joining my stream. Is the Quack AI 1.2 is now live multi-chain project and ready for the future of governance. Why is the problem? Why? Thank you so much to my dear friends for joining my stream. Okay, welcome to Gate users. Become a Quack AI community builder. Help grow, earn reward, shape the future. April 29, 2025, governance has arrived on Quack AI proposal. Voting is now live. थैंक यू सो मच टू ऑल ऑफ यू। ओके, क्रिप्टो आई ने हमें ज्वाइन किया था, थैंक यू सो मच क्रिप्टो आई। क्रिप्टो आई, थैंक यू सो मच डियर। मेरा लाइव वाला पेज ऑफ था जिस मोबाइल पे, इसकी वजह से मैं देख नहीं सका। थैंक यू सो मच क्रिप्टो आई। Okay, the next the governance has arrived on Quack AI. Proposal voting is now live. Okay, the next is the documents of a Quack AI. Here is the documents and white paper of AI. Thank you so much, dear friends. So here is the introduction of Quack AI. Web3 governance today is broken. Most EOS still rely on slow manual. Thank you so much to all of you. Most EOS still rely on slow manual token-weighted voting system, often manipulated, rarely scalable, and almost never autonomous. As Web3 expands across ecosystem, chains, and use case governance must evolve from simple polling to intelligent automated decision making. Yes. Yes. Okay. Enter Quack AI. Quack AI is the AI governance layer for Web3, a modular infrastructure stack that powers autonomous on-chain decision making across protocols, DAOs, and agents. It transforms governance from static snapshots and voting dashboards into real-time AI-native system that can generate proposals, assess risk, delegate power, and execute actions across multiple chains, all without human bottlenecks. Thank you so much to my all friends. Product in action. Quack AI 1.2 is live. What makes Quack AI different? Unlike governance protocols that stop at voting, Quack AI does end to end. It has following points. The first one is the proposer engine. Finally, Crypto Insight join us. Thank you so much, dear Crypto Insight. Welcome to my stream. Crypto Insight ने हमारी स्ट्रीम को ज्वाइन किया है, आई थिंक फर्स्ट या सेकंड टाइम क्रिप्टो इनसाइड ने हमारी स्ट्रीम को ज्वाइन किया है। एक्चुअली मैं दिन में करता हूँ तो दिन में क्रिप्टो इनसाइड बिजी होते हैं आई थिंक। थैंक यू सो मच क्रिप्टो इनसाइड फॉर ज्वाइनिंग माय स्ट्रीम। Proposal engine AI filters, ranks, and scores proposal in real time. Number two is delegation layer. Token holders can delegate to trusted AI agents with on-chain reputation. Crypto Live, thank you so much, dear. Okay, the next one is the execution router. Approved proposals are executed trustlessly across chains. The next is the treasury and rewards. Automatic triggers, powered airdrops, points, system and treasury flows. With support for BNB chain, Arbitrum, Matic, Chain, and upcoming compatibility with Solana, TON and PageQuack AI serve as a chain agnostic layer that any ecosystem can plug into. A new governance paradigm. Quack AI is not a tool or protocol, it's the governance layer for Web3. Its infrastructure, a foundational layer for building intelligent, scalable, and compliant governance system in Web3. by enabling DAOs, DApps, and even institutions to run governance through AI agents and smart contract. Quack AI removes the complexity, delay, and subjectivity from on-chain decision making. This is the beginning of machine native governance where agents govern, execution is instant, and coordination scales beyond human limitation. The next is the why AI governance. Decentralized governance is the core principle of blockchain ecosystem enabling users to influence network decisions. However, despite its promised governance, participation is often low, inefficient, and vulnerable to manipulation. The next point is the shortcomings. The shortcomings of traditional DAO governance. Its first point is insufficient user participation, and furthermore, its points are average vote turnout across major DAO is below 8%. Number two is governance is often dominated by whales or founding teams with minimal input from smaller holders. Retail participant lack of sense of involvement or incentive to vote due to separation between income rights and governance rights. The next is a delegation to other nodes or head user create trust issues due to nuclear governance standards. The next is the governance platform offer poor notification system and voting remains time consuming and easy to forget. Next is the low governance efficiency. It has 2 points. The traditional governance process follows a 4-stage cycle: proposal, discussion, voting, execution, which can take several days or even weeks to complete. Thank you so much, King Dollar, for joining my stream. I hope you enjoy my stream. Manual participation leads to delay and hampers responsiveness to rapidly changing circumstances. High technical barriers. Voting and proposal submission require interaction, complex interfaces, and wallet operations such as which are all unfriendly to non-technical users. Thank you so much all the gate users. The next point of high technical barrier is lack of initiative. Low code governance tools increase friction for broader adoption. The next is a cognitive overload in proposal interpretation. It has 3 points. Governance proposals are often highly technical, leaving average user nuclear about potential impacts. There is no standardized way to simulate outcomes, compare options, or evaluate historical decisions. Users lack access to AI decision support tools or data-driven dashboards summarizing community voting trends and risk analysis. So the next one is the manipulation and security risk. Similar to 51% attack, large accounts can influence governance for personal gain. Users often cannot detect manipulation attempts, and most DAOs lack a structured risk control mechanism. Thank you so much, my dear friends. So here is how Quack AI addresses these challenges. Quack AI, the AI governance layer for Web3, automates proposal scaling. Scoring enables AI agent voting and enforce real-time question execution, unlike traditional frameworks that rely on slow manual process. Quack AI delivers decisions that are data-driven, user-aligned, and instantly executable. So here is the key advantages of AI. It has following points: AI proposal analysis. Evaluate submission using historical governance data and real-time on-chain signals. Delegated agent voting. Users assign AI agents to vote on their behalf, ensuring active, transformed, and informed participation. The next is autonomous execution. Proposals are executed instantly via cross-chain smart contracts. Preferences aligned, emotion-free governance. Every agent reflects its user intent but executes without distraction, manipulation, or direction bias. Okay, move to another point. So here is vision and objectives. The evaluation of governance, Quack AI vision. Quack AI is the AI governance layer for Web3, a universal infrastructure that automates decision-making, execution, and risk-aware coordination across chains. It replaces outdated governance model with a fully automatic, autonomous system that scales across decentralized ecosystems. Unlike single-chain voting tool, Quack AI is modular and chain-agnostic. It powers intelligent governance for DAOs, enterprises, and communities by automating proposal, voting, execution, and reporting all in real time. Cross-chain adoption from DuckChain to 40 plus integrations. Quack AI is alive across 40 plus ecosystem including DuckChain, BNB Chain, Matrices, Arbitrum, Zk-Link, and more. Each integration enables native governance powered by AI agents, real-time execution, and risk-aware decision models. Welcome Kaya07. Thank you so much, dear, for joining my stream. DuckChain was the first to fully implement Quack AI infrastructure. Since then dozens of projects have adopted it to automate their proposal flows, streamline treasury management, and delegate governance to intelligent AI agents. Thank you so much to all of you for joining my stream. From L2S and Zk ecosystem to app chains and public goods network, Quack AI is helping DAOs evolve from passive voting to intelligent decision execution. So here is next core objectives of Quack AI. Quack AI governance objectives are based on three principles: automation, transparency, and accessibility. AI-driven governance automation. Chandron, thank you so much, dear. Proposal processing. AI agent assess proposal using historical data and sentiment analysis. Automated voting execution. AI optimized decision-making process, reducing reliance on human input. Predictive governance model. AI continuously refines decision-making frameworks based on governance trends. Number two is transparency and data-driven decision-making. AI-generated governance records or track every AI-driven governance action for review. Sentiment analysis and community input. AI ensures decisions aligns with community sentiment. Sentiment analysis. The next is the compliance and moderation. Welcome Skyfall. Thank you so much Skyfall for joining my stream. Compliance and moderation. AI ensures governance remains decentralized while filtering malicious behavior. Number three is governance, accessibility and participation optimization. It has 3 points. Delegated AI governance. User can delegate voting and governance participation to AI agents. Number two is cross-chain governance integration. AI governance extends to multiple blockchains including Tron, Ethereum, and more. The next is user-friendly AI interface. Simplified governance participation for non-technical users. Quack AI and goal. Intelligent governance human aligned. Quack AI and goal intelligent governance human aligned. Quack AI envision a new governance standard, one where AI drives efficiency, scale, and execution, but the final governance shape remains aligned with human intent and participation. What's ahead? It has following points: AI powered execution, AI agents enforce decisions in real time, eliminating delays and operational bottlenecks. Sniper BM, thank you so much, dear, for joining my stream. So the next one is the adaptive voting frameworks. Voting logic evolves with user behavior, ensuring governance stays fair, contextual, and relevant. Number three is scalable governance infrastructure, built to support thousands of DAOs and millions of users without compromise. The next is human guided AI enhanced decisions. While AI handles complexity and execution, users retain control over preferences. While AI handles complexity and execution, users retain control over preference delegation logic and override functions. The next is the cross-chain and institutional interoperability, designed to support DAOs and institutions across any blockchain with customizable governance modules. By combining machine intelligence with human intent, Quack AI sets a new benchmark for on-chain governance, fast, fair, and inclusive by design. Thank you so much to all of you. Classmate, CryptoBuzz with Alex, Abdilillah, Abdilillah. Thank you so much, dear. The next is the for governance participants. How Quack AI implement AI-driven governance on Duck chain. Traditional governance requires user to constantly monitor, propose, analyze outcomes, and vote a manual process that limits participation and slows decision making with most DAOs facing low engagement and centralized influence, governance needs a smarter, scalable foundation. Quack AI introduces a fully autonomous AI-powered governance layer that operates across 10 plus chains, including BNB chain, Arbitrum, Maxius, Duck chain, and more. Whether users are holding Duck tokens, Genesis, SBTs, or AI passport, they can delegate governance responsibilities to intelligent AI agents that ensure real-time, risk-aware, and unbiased execution of decisions. Crypto Butterfly, welcome again. Thank you so much, dear, for joining my stream. Thank you so much, Crypto Butterfly, for joining my stream. Where is Crypto Moon? आपको कहा था कि Crypto Moon को लेके आइएगा. Okay, no problem. चलें, कोई नहीं, आप तो आ गई हैं. Thank you so much, dear. Smile 1234, great users. Abdulillah Air, uh, Abdulillah, thank you so much, dear, for joining my stream. Quack AI introduces a fully autonomous AI-powered governance layer that operates across 10 plus chains, including BNB chain. Quack AI Passport, your key to governance. She says, good to see you again. Good to see you too, dear Crypto Butterfly. I hope you enjoy my stream. To participate in Quack AI governance, user mint a Quack AI Passport NFT, a gas fee based credential that enables voting, delegation, and rewards access. Get user 794D57B4. He says, hi, hello, great user. Thank you so much, dear, for joining my stream. Samuel, thank you so much, dear. By the way, this project looks amazing. Yes. I hope आपको भी ये मिलेगा project. Keep growing. Thank you so much, dear. Samuel, thank you so much, dear, for joining my stream. To participate in Quack AI governance, over 3,000,000 passport minted across PNB chain and other EVM compatible chains. The passport acts as your own chain identity within the Quack AI governance layer. Holders can assign their votes to AI agent, receive governance airdrops, and track participation metrics. Thank you so much to all of you. Great users. Thank you so much, dear. Traction snapshot. 300k plus total unique paid users. Core features of AI driven governance. Wait 5 minutes. AI powered proposal analysis. Quack AI agents assess every proposal using on-chain data, historical governance, patterns, and sentiment analysis. It has following points. Proposals are ranked and prioritized automatically. Users receive AI-generated insights before voting or delegation. Governance workflows become data-driven, fast, and fraud-resistant. Number 2 is autonomous voting and delegation. Participation is no longer manual. User across chain can delegate to AI agent who vote autonomously based on logic and behavior presets. It has following points. Governance decisions are automated, executed once passed. No delays. AI ensures timely, gas efficient, and meaningful participation. User retain override control for manual input at any time. Reward participation and real-time distribution. Quack AI links user participation to incentivize across spotted chains. A beautiful compliment from Crypto Butterfly is your vibe is unmatched. You speak so well and your confidence shines through. So proud to see you growing. Thank you so much, dear Crypto Butterfly, for your beautiful compliment. फिर से वही मसला है, आपको कमेंट का रिप्लाई ऑन द स्क्रीन नहीं जाता. थैंक यू सो मच, डियर Crypto Butterfly. Rewards are dynamically adjusted based on user contribution and delegation. By turning governance into an automated service layer, Quack AI makes it simple for users across tokens, NFTs, or SBTs to influence decisions without complexity. Another compliment from Crypto Butterfly is loving the energy today. Keep up this amazing work. Thank you so much, Crypto Butterfly, for your supporting. Crypto Butterfly ने हमें continuous support किया है. Thank you so much, dear, for joining and for supporting me. Bundle of thanks for you, Crypto Butterfly. So the next one is the use case Dukchain and Genesis members. SR Can. Thank you so much. Quack AI's first live deployment was on Dukchain, where 20,000 Genesis members participated using Soulbound tokens to delegate governance to AI agent. This deployment generated over $3.5 million in revenue and validated key governance mechanics. Thank you so much, all the great users. Don't forget to like and follow my live stream. Follow my stream to get a follower gift for you. It has following points. Delegated voting SBT holder assigned governance right to AI agent for automated decision making. The next is the governance rewards. Member receive 10 889 ducks upfront, 22750 duck overtime plus 50% of duck chain transaction revenue. The next is the incentive optimization, AI dynamically adjusted reward distribution based on user activity and engagement. This model now expands across multiple. So the next is the for developers building with Quack AI governance tools and APIs. Rame 1547. Thank you so much, dear, for joining my stream. Istanbul, thank you so much. A capital of Turkey. Crypto Butterfly, okay. Have a good night. Have a good night to you, dear. Thank you so much for supporting me. Quack AI is not just a voting tool, it's modular AI governance layer that powers end-to-end decision automation, execution, and risk-aware coordination across chains. Good night to you, Crypto Butterfly. Okay, thank you so much to all of you. Test following points. Number one is AI generated proposal inside dedicated AI voting mechanisms, autonomous execution workflows, real-time governance analytics, on-chain reward and treasury automation. Another comment from Crypto Butterfly is here. Pleasure to be a part of your stream. See you tomorrow with a new topic. Okay, thank you so much, dear Crypto Butterfly. See you too tomorrow with your interesting topic. Thank you so much, dear, for supporting me. आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, आपने हमारे स्ट्रीम को ज्वाइन किया और हमें लास्ट तक ज्वाइन किए रखा. थैंक यू सो मच. bundle of thanks for you. So now move to the topic. Already live across 40 plus projects and integrated with 10 plus chains including BNB chain, Arbitrum matrices, Ethereum duck chain, zk-Link, Marlin, and more. Quack AI is built to scale across ecosystem, not remain chain specific. Thank you so much all the gate users for joining my stream. Okay, now we move to the official page of Quack AI. So here is the official page of Quack AI. Thank you so much to all of you. Here is the airdrop details. Hold the airdrop ending time September 2nd 20256 UTC. Total supply is 2000000. Q unlocking roll is 100% unlocked. Trading starts September 2nd 2025 at 8 UTC. Trading pair to USDT. Here is the deposit address link and here is the USDT spot trading link. Participation rules: complete identity verification and hold at least 1 GT to share the total reward pool based on your GT holding. Snapshot proportion. The maximum participation limit for each user in this event is 1000 GT. How to claim airdrop login and complete identity verification. Go to launch pool and select holder airdrop. Hold at least 1 GT. Click now. Join now. Holder airdrop FAQs about Quack AI. Quack AI is the native governance layer for Web3. It runs fragmented governance and automated workflow. Total token name Quack AI, token supplied, token symbol Q, maximum supply is 10,000,000,000,000,000. Token type BEP20 is the token ID link. Token distribution ratio and locking rules. Core team 10%, 0% unlock at TG, 1 month live in investing over 36 months. Initial drop 12 months, 12%, 24, 5% log at TG, 1 month live in investing over 24 months. Gate Labs invest in Disclosure. Gate did not invest in Quack AI. It has now here is the notes. Gate token. GT is the unique exchange token of Gate exchange and the native token to Gate chain. Public chain hold at GT now. Here is the link. Please complete the identity verification before participating in startup to enhance the security of your account and assets. Please adhere to the relevant rules of the event when participating. Any cheating behavior is prohibited. Gate reserves are rights to the final explanation, responding the whole airdrop project is blockchain startup and still in its early stages. The project operation, underlying project and legal involvement may pose significant risk. Advanced technical and financial requirement is required to understand and evaluate the inherent risk of crypto asset investment. The market volatility is high and the price of a token might fluctuate drastically due to technical, regulatory, and market factors. Gate Team September 1, 2025 Gateway to Crypto. Trade over 3500 cryptocurrencies safely, quickly, and easily on Gate. Take action now. Sign up and claim up to $10,000 in welcome rewards. Stay connected. Visit official Gate official website. Welcome Discovery. Thank you so much Discovery. You joined me at the end of my project. Hello everyone. Hello Crypto. Hello Discovery. Thank you so much for joining my stream. Join our Telegram community to discuss the trending topics. Engage with our global community for the latest insights, transparency, and security check of 100% proof of reserves. Thank you so much to all of you. Discovery, thank you so much. You joined me at the end of my stream. Now I am going to end the stream. Thank you so much. Crypto Rex, how are you? I'm good. Discovery, how about you? Now the topic is ended. See you tomorrow with a new and interesting topic. तो इसी के साथ आज का हमारा टॉपिक खत्म होता है. कल मिलेंगे एक नए टॉपिक के साथ. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज. थैंक यू सो मच टू ऑल ऑफ यू हु हैव जॉइंड मी. स्पेशली थैंक्स टू क्रिप्टो बटरफ्लाई, क्रिप्टो चैंपियन, क्रिप्टो डेजी, Crypto Velvet, and Crypto Insights. Thanks to all who have joined my stream. Okay, now we end the topic. Discovery. Okay, thank you so much, Discovery. Now I am going to end the project.